So, a Workin Birkin. Leave your comments in the section below and let me know what you think a Workin Birkin is. Ciao my friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are having an unboxing together of this parcel that arrived the other day. I was patiently waiting. I can't really say patiently, but I was waiting without a lot of patience to open this because this is very exciting for me. And if you've heard of a Workin Birkin, this is what this is, which I'm hoping is very beautiful. So let's all get started. I actually just cut this end off just to save myself some time here. And let's get this out of the box. I am not very patient, my friends. That's the honest truth. I'm surprised it didn't come with a dust bag, and the packaging has kind of left the handles a little bit not in the shape I really like, to be honest. But this is what they call a Workin Birkin. It looks like a very luxurious bag. It's really very nice. It's very nice, actually. I have, I think, a love-hate relationship with these bags. I love the structure of them because it's a very formed, fitting, structured bag. It holds nice, sits up nice. It's not like a bag that's a little bit floppy and you can't find anything in those bags. That's my problem with those bags. Every time I go to drop something in it and I have to get it out the next time, I have to like rummage around in there to try and find something. So these ones are structured, my favorite. I'm not really happy about the handles, okay? So let's open this up and see what it looks like on the inside. So it has the little clasp here, and I took off the protection off of this little clasp. And then this one also has a little protection on it, so this can come off. Little straps are out of here. Then you pull this up. Now, I don't know, but I would like to know your opinion on these bags, okay? I really have to close my bag. I like it closed at the top. And these ones really remain open at the top. And this part, flapping, okay, this is my first one I've ever had, so you can leave your comments in the section below, but this here looks to me like it's unfinished, okay? And this side looks finished. With this piece hanging in here, I just think that the bag looks a little bit unfinished. But it did come with lots of stuffing on the inside. That's good to see. And it came with a crossbody strap or a shoulder strap. You can make it a little bit longer or shorter. But actually the strap is really nice. It's beautiful. The stitching on it looks very nice. And the clasp here, it doesn't come with logos on it. There is no logo on it, but I'm sure you all really know who this is a knockoff for, which luxury this is. And I ordered this from Walmart, so that's why they're called the Workin Birkin, I'm sure. So this is the inside of the bag. It has a pocket here and another separate pocket here. Those are nice to put your phones in. And then it has the zippered compartment back here on the back. Works perfect. Just one zip. Beautiful. And here it is here on the back. It has like a vinyl on the inside, as you can see, and would be nice. So if you have to clean your bag out, it's perfect for that. But when you use the bag or wear the bag, this part is always left on the inside, and you carry it like this, and these straps also hook down in here, so like this, and they hang open like this if you want to pull it a little bit closed more and tighter, you can do that too with them. Yeah, and they hang open like this here. The bag is stunning, really very stunning. I love the color of it, the style, and the leather, because they do say this is real leather, and it comes with the little feet on the bottom here, but they're unlogoed, so there's no logo on them. But this is really my first Workin Birkin in this design and fabric. I love it, really. I think I can set it on a door handle or something maybe and reform the handles, but the handles are constructed really nice. They're not twisted, just a little crooked, and I think I can fix that. But it's very, very nice, my friends. Really nice, good quality. It's a luxurious knockoff is what I can say. So there you go. And let me know what you think of the bag, and I will also link it in my link tree, which you will find in my bio. And the bag actually came from Walmart, and it is in this color here, but I also have another one arriving, which is, I think, the same size and a different color. So I'm working on my collection of these. I'm really surprised. I thought that they would not be as nice as they are, and they're very beautiful. So my friends, I will let you go today. Enjoy your afternoon, and I will see you again tomorrow, because tomorrow is my weigh-in day and my shot day. So my friends, I love you so much, and just click on the like button, follow for more if you want to see more unboxings, and I will see you again soon. Mwah! Ciao everyone. Bye.